One of the most powerful natural birth control herbs out there today is blue cohosh. The root of the blue cohosh plant is used as an effective natural birth control. This herb contains two uterine contracting substances, one that mimics the hormone oxytocin, and the other a saponin called calosaponin. In case you are not using any contraceptive, drink some tea made from blue cohosh soon after intercourse. Add 1 teaspoon of blue cohosh to 1 quart of boiling water. Steep for 5 minutes. Sip this tea slowly, no more than 3 times per day. If you want to take it in a supplement form, don't exceed 300 to 400 milligrams a day until your menstrual period starts. Please keep in mind that blue cohosh is a very powerful herb. It is best to use this herb under the guidance of an herbalist because of its adverse side effects. For more research-based natural health tips, subscribe to the channel.